Hello, this is a story of why I love Chester. Max Bunch, a family place. I had a dream, and it was to own and operate a family restaurant. I lived my dream for 3.5 years downtown Chester, 518 Edgemont Avenue, located next door to the Gold Room. I had a dream. As a little girl growing up, I watched my mother do everything, but her cooking captivated me. How she managed to make everything she cooked taste so good. I learned quickly. By the age of 13 years old, I was putting meals on the table for our family of 8. The passion of cooking became fascinating to me. When I went to high school, I was a vocational education student and I studied commercial food service. All 3 years of high school, I competed for the Chester Upland Vocational Education Program, statewide in the culinary art competition, bringing home the blue ribbons. And at Cheney State College, I studied hotel restaurant management and nutrition. I knew to fulfill my dream, I needed money. So I was able to snag a job at Boeing Vertol. They paid well, and I saved well for 4 years. Now I was ready. My father, who was a certified public accountant for the state of Pennsylvania and a local bookkeeper for many small business owners in the city of Chester, bam, I landed my financial advisor for free. Mr. Al Porter, who owned the Gold Room, also owned the vacant restaurant next door. Bam! It worked out and I was in. Max Bunch was up and running. We served folks from all walks of life. Preachers, teachers, doctors, lawyers, Action News team, WDAS radio family, and certainly I can't forget my homies holding it down, sniffing them, and my welfare lawyer. They were all on posts, and they had our backs just because. We served the very best clientele ever. In 1993, we took a financial hit, which caused a sudden decline in clientele due to the Fifth Street Bridge closing down for a renovation overhaul, which immediately stopped foot and car traffic all around us. So we had to make a decision to close Max Bunch. I maintained my business license until this day, and I own a catering business called Teaspoon Catering for over 32 years now. I never would have made it without the love and support of my parents, Hilda and Charles McNear, and my husband, family, and friends, and definitely our loyal customers, who were all part of me living my dream. Right here in Chester, PA, is why I love Chester.